How many chicken nuggets does Kiara eat per day? 5, 15, or 53?
I think she's trying to figure this out. I think it's...
Yeah.
Wait, what were the answers again?
5, 15, or 53?
Oh. Actually, don't write it down, Kiara. And then we'll.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm?
5, 15, or 53? Chicken nugget.
Yes. I'll have your answers. Kelly?
1 moment.
Yes.
I'll write it now.
Kelly, you should know me the best. We've met so many times in the underworld.
What are you talking? Well, maybe. Oh, I was using the eraser. Hold on. Okay. I mean, I think I know the answer. I'm pretty sure that I'm correct.
Dev does not know how to
your
use
tricky
computer.
questions. So, okay, I have finished putting my answer in.
The big reveal.
Alright. Wait, should I write down mine now? No.
No, just tell us.
Okay.
Ah!
The answer is 53!
That's so weird. I thought you were trying to fake us out.
Such a
No.
I expected nothing less from a future franchise owner.
Yes, indeed. The thing is, that's not the only thing I eat, but you know, I'm a sporty type. I work out every day. Do you even lift, bro?
Can we go to the next question?
Alright.